This is a stylist dream kitchen. Watch how we install it and learn the basics of putting together an IKEA kitchen. The kitchen is already planned and ordered, so prepare for the boxes and check the order. Then sort the boxes into categories of frames, drawers, and doors, so it's all easy to find. Gather the necessary tools and some helpful friends or family. Save the receipts too. Let's start with the bare kitchen. Measure and mark the locations of plumbing, other utilities, and studs. Do the same for the cabinets. Using only base cabinets creates an airy look. Now for the suspension rails, which may need to be cut. The assembly instructions give the right height. Make sure the rails are level before drilling. Check again. Attach them to the wall. Now assemble the frames. Follow the instructions closely. Use the packaging to cut down on the mess. Start with the high cabinets. All frames are assembled in the same way, so it's easier with practice. Put on the legs too. To hang the high cabinet, grab a friend and maybe a ladder. Hang it on the rail and slide it over. Put on the next cabinet. Be sure there's space for the door to open with a filler piece. Then make a frame with cover panels on the exposed side and top. Work outward and set in the base cabinets one by one. Add a worktop support and another cover panel. Some cabinets may need room for plumbing and utilities. Consult a professional if you need to. Lock the cabinets in place. Level them by adjusting the legs. Then anchor the cabinets to each other. Now for the worktop. Let's bring back some help. Double-check the size and make any final adjustments. Carefully lay it in and support it down into place. Mark where the sink, oven, and hob will go. Saw the holes. Then secure the worktop. If necessary, call the professionals to install plumbing, utilities, appliances, and integrated doors. It's easier to add the drawer rails now. Then assemble the drawers and put them in. Add the hinges and doors. Straighten the doors by adjusting the hinges. Now cover up the legs with plinths and a ventilation panel. Last but not least, put in other important bits like lamps and make it personal. There you have it, a quick look at a stylist's dream kitchen and the general steps of an IKEA kitchen installation.